Viewers from around the world to today's edition of Money Moves. I am Bosin Amafai live here at the FMDQ studios in Lagos. In the meantime, Morocco has reported a stable inflation of 0.4% for the month of June. According to the latest figures, the slight increase in the consumer price index was due to rising food prices of 0.8% last month. Meat prices jumped 4.0%, while fish and seafood prices rose by 3.9%, the report says. However, non-food product prices were up a marginal 0.1% in the month of June. Cost of transportation was down 3.4%, while prices in the restaurants and hotels category surged by 3.8%.
In the meantime, the Ethiopian Finance Ministry has published its first 3 months Treasury bill issuance calendar. The strategic move marks a significant step towards market-based public finance reform that will deepen the domestic debt market and reinforce fiscal transparency. The T-bills issuance calendar gives investors advanced visibility into auction dates, volumes, and maturities. It follows recent reforms such as the introduction of a secondary market and retail investor access through the Ethiopian Securities Exchange.
Let's move on to our market straight. We're tracking some of today's data from here at the FMDQ ticker tape room, and you can see the continuous trading on Nigeria's government securities and, of course, other listed fixed income papers here at the FMDQ securities. You can see the numbers over there. I look at across Frontier Africa's market today, and starting as always on the equities side, the Nigerian market today was up by 0.1%. But if you're looking at this screen and you can see the data board for equities today, you can see the big news. The GSE in South Africa crossed for the first time into the triple-digit territory today, crossing into the 100,000 index reading. That was led this Wednesday by industrials 1.76% to the upside. The index has been running around that figure since we started the week. Now that's a new high ever for the GSE in South Africa. The Nairobi stock market at 160.98 also took another high today, 0.66%, as we see investors' appetite, both local and foreign, flowing into Frontier African equities market. However, the Zimbabwe stock market down roughly 2%. That's a big dive at 194.83. The market slumped in Zimbabwe on Wednesday. Keep an eye on what the markets will bring tomorrow, Thursday, as we begin to tick towards the end of the week. And that's a package of your money moves for this Wednesday. From me and the rest of the team here at the FMDQ studios in Lagos, it's bye for now.